Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be going over 16 fonts made by Kyberphonic. This is a font bundle made by him called The Old Knights. These fonts are all based off of the Star Wars game Knights of the Old Republic 1 and 2. So if you really enjoyed the games, I'd for sure watch this video and decide whether you'd want these fonts or not. But let's just get straight into it. Also, before I start, the lightsabers are set to a specific color, so if you'd rather see a different color, you can set them to a different color. They're not set to that color. For example, I have it set to rainbow. You'll see later on Juhani's font, just because it makes sense for a character instead of her blue saber, which I mean she's known for. So if you wanted to have it a different color, you can change it. So don't let the colors of the lightsabers discourage you for the font, since the colors can be changed. Now let's get straight into it.
I am Bastila Shan. Darth Malak.
I'm Jolie Bindo.
Rescuer, as you are mine.
I came to warn you, Jedi.
Exile.
My apprentice, Darth Bandon.
I am Juhani.
My name's Beodor.
My life is yours.
Aden Rand. This is Mikal. I have found the exile.
I'm Mira. I'm the best bounty hunter in this system, and that's not me bragging, that's fact. I am Brianna, the last of the Jedi, and the one who will stand with you against all enemies who face us.
And that is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you want to, and comment down below what was your favorite font out of all of these. I mean, with this lightsaber, I think it would be Revan, but Darth Sion's does sound pretty neat. But that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.